Hi and thanks for watching. In this tutorial we're going to be removing a customer's existing fence and replacing it with a 6-foot tall cedar privacy fence. You can see by the size of this fence it is a large project, so before starting any project like this, make sure you have plenty of energy. Begin tearing the fence out by cutting out the panels with a sawzall or a chainsaw. Sawzalls are great for the dirt. If you use a chainsaw and you get into the dirt, it will dull your blade. Next step, you want to go through and then dig out all of your end and corner and gate post. For all the other posts left in the ground, just cut them off with a sawzall. Make sure to cut those at ground level because we are going to be putting another fence in its place. Once the old fence has been removed, go through and set all of your end and corner posts. You want these posts set because they're going to be your reference for your line. It's what you'll use your string with if you use a string. Measure the total distance between each end post. Divide that distance evenly. Remember for wood fences to keep that distance under 8 feet for each post. Here's an example. If you have a line that is 58 feet, remember you don't want your spacing to be any more than 8 feet between each post. So divide that evenly and you're going to get 7.25 feet between each post. Once your end posts are in, you can use a string or just by eye, and you're going to sight in the post holes. This is where you're going to be digging your holes for your line post. Once the holes are dug, you can go ahead and sight in the line post, set them in concrete, level your post, and make sure that your line posts are going to be in a straight line. Don't worry about the tops because we're going to come back and cut these later. The post depth needs to be about 24 inches. And always remember, have a little bit of fun while you're working. Makes the day go by. For the gate, you want to measure the opening, sight in the post holes. Once they're dug, sight in and set the gate post in concrete. Once again, post hole depth is about 24 inches. The gate posts do have to be exact. You're not going to cut those because they are metal posts. From bottom to top, the measurement will be 69 inches. Make sure the holes in your hinging post are going to be in line with your fence line. Now you're going to measure for your latch post. Remember, you need 2 inches on each side, 2 inches for your hinge and 2 inches for your latch. If you have a 36-inch gate, you'll need a 40-inch opening. You'll want to level the top of the gate post. And then make sure that the gate posts are level with the outside of the fence, the side of the fence that you're going to have your pickets on. Once all your posts are in, go through each line and then make sure that your posts are in line and level. That one looks straight. That one looks pretty straight as well. When you're finished, go through and get your 2x4 count. Most everything should work out to where you're going to use 3 16-foot 2x4s per section. Thanks for watching. Please watch part 2 of this tutorial for project completion.